Welcome to the digital age. Your time is now. From retired teacher to digital marketer, and I'm so excited to share this journey with you. Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss, ditching the 9 to 5 grind and building something incredible? Guess what? You can, and it's easier than you think. The digital age has opened up a world of opportunity, and digital marketing is your key to unlocking it all. No matter who you are or where you come from, you have the power to create a successful online business. It's all about tapping into the right knowledge and using the right tools. And I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Think about it. People are spending more time online than ever before. They're shopping, learning, connecting, and they're looking for what you have to offer. With digital marketing, you can reach these potential customers directly, wherever they are in the world. So, are you ready to take control of your future? Let's dive in. First things first, let's break down the basics of digital marketing. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. In a nutshell, digital marketing is all about connecting with your ideal customers online. Think about it like this. You have a fantastic product or service to offer, but how do people find you in the vast sea of the internet? That's where digital marketing comes in. It's about using different online channels to reach your target audience and get them excited about what you have to offer. From crafting engaging social media posts to optimizing your website for search engines, digital marketing is the engine that drives your online success. And the best part, it's constantly evolving. So there's always something new and exciting to learn. And let's talk social media, my friend. In today's world, social media isn't just about sharing selfies and cat videos, although we love those too. It's a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes to connect with their audience, build relationships, and drive sales. Think of your social media platforms as your virtual storefront. It's where you showcase your brand, engage with potential customers, and build a loyal following. But here's the key. It's not just about posting randomly. You need a strategy, a plan to create content that resonates with your audience and makes them want to learn more. Don't worry, you will learn how to craft scroll-stopping content, find your target audience, and use social media to drive traffic to your offers. Get ready to watch your engagement soar. Ever wonder how some websites magically appear at the top of Google search results? It's not magic, my friend, it's SEO, search engine optimization. And it's one of the most powerful tools in your digital marketing arsenal. Imagine this, someone searches for a product or service you offer. SEO is about making sure your website pops up on that first page of results, making it easy for potential customers to find you. How does it work? It's all about understanding what people are searching for and optimizing your website content to match those searches. From keywords to backlinks, there are specific strategies you can use to boost your website's ranking and drive more organic traffic your way. Section 5, unlock your potential with master resale rights. Now let's talk about a game changer, master resale rights, or MRR. This is where the real potential to scale your income lies. With MRR, you have the right to sell a product you didn't create and keep 100% of the profits. It's like having a pre-built online business handed to you on a silver platter. Think of it like this: someone has created an amazing product and they're giving you permission to sell it as your own. You don't have to create the product, worry about customer service, or handle any of the logistics. You just focus on selling and making money. MRR products can range from ebooks and courses to software and tools. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? It's a fantastic way to generate passive income. Once you set up your sales system, you can continue earning from it for months, even years to come. Section 6, join our thriving community. Learn, grow, succeed together. Listen, I know diving into the world of digital marketing and MRR might seem a little daunting at first. That's why I have access to a supportive and inspiring community where you can connect with like-minded individuals, learn from experienced marketers, and get all the guidance you need to succeed. Our community is all about empowering each other, sharing knowledge, and celebrating wins together. We believe that collaboration is key, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Inside the community, you'll find expert training on everything from branding and content creation to faceless marketing and a done-for-you sales funnel. Complex concepts will be broken down into easy-to-understand steps so you can start seeing results right away. Section 7, your simple toolkit for success. All you need is right here. One of the best things about digital marketing is that you don't need a fancy office or expensive equipment to get started. All you really need is a smartphone or computer. Yep, that's it. Most of the tools and platforms we use are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. You don't need to quit your job or work around the clock. Even dedicating a couple of hours each day can make a huge difference. A commitment to learning. The online world is constantly changing, so be prepared to learn new things and adapt new strategies. But trust me, it's all part of the exciting journey. Section 8, 2 hours a day to change your life. Are you in? Think about it. What could you achieve with just 2 extra hours in your day? You could start that side hustle you've been dreaming of, learn a new skill, or build a thriving online business. The possibilities are limitless. It's all about taking that first step, committing to yourself, and believing in your ability to achieve anything you set your mind to. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and create a life you love? Section 9, ready to dive in? Your blueprint awaits at earningwithdaria.com. I'm so excited for you to embark on this incredible journey. To help you get started, you will get a free blueprint that outlines the exact steps you need to take to start earning daily pay online. Head over to www.earningwithdaria.com right now to grab your copy and join our amazing community of entrepreneurs. I can't wait to see you there.